Hello and welcome. So first what you're going to do is go into your gacha club or gacha life and mainly just pick a character. Once you've picked one, like I'm going to use this one, make sure your background is either blue, green or pink. Then you're going to go to other or pets and going to hide. On hide now, you're going to turn off head and then going to turn off any of the other body parts that you're going to animate, well, tween. Then take a pic, then go to studio and take a screenshot. You can crop the screenshot to get rid of the black bits if you want, or just zoom into your image. I usually just crop it and then save it to photos. Then go back to where you were hide, and then turn on one of the body parts that you were going to tween and get rid of everything else. Then go into studio and take a screenshot of that. You pretty much repeat this for the next body part. Alright, so now that you've done that and taken pictures for body parts, you're going to turn all your body parts on and press body map 1. There you will see your head and accessories, so whatever. Take a screenshot of your head and then save that. Obviously crop it. Then take a screenshot of your 2 back hairs or just your back hair. I mainly separate them, so if you have, say, a ponytail and back hair, take a picture of both, or you can just take a picture of them separately. I'm taking a picture of them separately, just so maybe it will help my tweeting be a bit more bachelor. Now, go onto CapCut and go to New Project. Go to Library, and then scroll down and find one that's not pro or just the white background or black. And what you can do is then press on this, and you're going to press on the little add white button. You're going to add all of your images that you've done. So it doesn't matter the order, just add them in. Then they should all be like this, so white there, and then all of them just along like that. Then you're going to press the first one, go across until you find overlay. You're going to press that. And once you have it, will go underneath, like that. You're going to do that for the rest of them. Be right back. Alright, so now that you've done that, you can click on one of them. I usually just, click the one at the bottom, because that's the first one. You're going to go across until you find Remove BG. Suddenly for Remove Background. Press on it and press Chroma key. Move the little circle with a dot in it onto your background color. Move it until you can still see your hair, but it still shows everything except for the background. Then change your opacity to whatever, and the shadow to 100 if you can. Make sure that it doesn't, accidentally zoom out on any of your background things. So, Right. So, now that we've done that, you go and click on one of them and just move them up where, okay. Because we need to figure out what we're going to put up, let's see. So don't mind me as I just do all of these and I move these up away. Also, I know this voice is not my actual voice, I'm just not going to be showing my voice, so. Anyways, get your body and move it to however you would like. Small, big, blah, blah, blah. What you're then going to do is you're going to now put your body part how you think they should be. So I'm just going to do that, adjust them to the regular or just the size that I prefer them at. And then after you've done that, I'll show you another thing you can do. Also, please do not mind how the arm is on this one, because I will show you how to fix that in a second if this is happening for you. Okay, so I'm fully aware, but you're probably wondering how, okay, the hair is in front of it. So you're going to scroll across until you find layers. Okay? Press on layers, and there you can see all your things. I would, mainly move the hairs all the way to the back. So you press on a hair and then press back. Once you do that, it should go behind. You can do the same for the arm and everything else. That's still going in front. I know it's very annoying, so this is why I do that. Once you've done that, you're going to press a hair and just adjust them however you want since you've been able to move them back now. Another thing, I mainly, to be honest, don't make them the exact same and shape and stuff, but I do try. So if you're looking at this and thinking that does not look like a character from screenshots, then I understand. Anyways, oh my god, oh my god, video me, hurry up. Okay, so now you're going to press on the body parts you're animating. For example, I'm not going to be animating the hairs, but the two arms. We're going to press on it, and if you see the little diamond with the plus in the corner, press that. So then you should have a diamond at the front of it that turns red when your white line goes over it. Add another one, but leave some space in between. So that when you go in there, you can then... Now you should stop moving a body part. Here's the thing, don't move it too much or else capcut, for some annoying reason, will make it go very far off. Please check over to see if that's how you like it. And then just repeat this step by moving it by moving it very carefully each time and checking over. So I'll be right back with you to finish this off, and yeah. Okay, so now since I've done that, you can go to your bottom one, or the next thing you're animating. What I try to do is keep the diamonds, which I'm going to call them, or well, the keyframes, in the same place as your other ones. You move these the exact same way, or you can change how you move it, but make sure not to move it too much, like how I said. A main thing I would do is don't watch this, because this is just an example, and if it turns out bad at the end, I really don't care. But if you want it to look your best, sorry. I'm also sorry for my mistakes in saying stuff and rushing is because I'm voicing over this video that I took on screen recording, so I'm very sorry. But, remember that you do not need to rush this, and I'm just doing this for a video. So, do not rush and take your time with these. So once you've done that, and you watched it over, and if you like it, this is just a quick example so it doesn't look the best. But, yeah. Hold on. Okay, oh my god, video recorded me. Hurry up, we don't have all day. Oh, hold on, we missed a bit. So next to it, in between each of them, you should see this button called crafts. I'll point that out in a minute. And each between, you're going to pick a graph that you think would work. Ease out, kind of, I don't think would work, but if you want to try any of them, I do not mind. But make sure it's in between. If one of the diamonds goes red, that means it's not in between, it is on it. Just keep doing that for each one and then watch it over. And if you think it doesn't look right, then you do change the graph. Do something else. Like how Jimmy here sees at the end of this, I notice that it looks a bit weird and is jumpy. So I go over and change it. I'll skip that because I don't think you want to see me doing that forever. All right, now after me doing that for ages, I finally finished this. If you want to retry everything and try do it again and keep practicing, please, because I don't practice that much and it makes me very bad, to be honest. But then you can export your video, and here's the tip that I was going to say. Import your new video that you've just made of whatever, and this is for if you want to put a video that you've made of gacha or whatever, and it's too big for the YouTube short size and you want to put on the short. Click the video and just shrink it down. It really helps and it makes it fit more. And then you can export that and boom. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and have fun with your tweening.